The story goes that in 1952, Corning scientist Donald Stuckey was working in his lab when he accidentally drops a slab of experimental glass from a superheated furnace onto the floor, and it doesn't break. In his words, the thing bounced. So thanks to this happy accident, Stuckey discovers pyroceram, a remarkable ceramic that's right at home in extreme temperatures. Pyroceram is used in missile cones, the space shuttle, and at home? Why not? With pyroceram's proven durability in missiles, cookware prototypes were made for housewives to put to the test at home. The women would cook with Corningware dishes on a stovetop, place them in the oven, and even introduce ice cubes to the superheated dishes.
To the oven, to the table. From the freezer to the oven, to the table. From the freezer to the oven, to the table.
In 1958, Corningware debuted in stores, dressed in its signature blue cornflower print. For the past 60 years, Corningware has always evolved to meet the needs of homemakers. Even in today's busy homes, Corningware remains a kitchen favorite. By marrying exceptional performance with versatile designs, Corningware helps families prepare meals quickly and conveniently, and bring everyone around the dining table to share in more family moments at mealtimes. Because after all, home is where the heart is.